Back to my channel. My name is Chawanne Burns. Please click that like button and that subscribe button. In today's video, we have more grants out there for your business that you could apply for. I'm going to present 2 new grants today. We're going to discuss 3 grants that were discussed prior in previous videos. I will link those in the description sections, but those grants deadlines are fastly approaching, so you want to apply for those grants today. And we also have one new loan program that's out there for businesses. Okay, so let's go over review the grants that's fastly approaching. You can see on my screen, I've already discussed the KKR Small Business Builders Grant for female founders. This deadline is April the 26th, which is next week. So you want to apply for this grant if you meet the requirements. If you want to learn more about the requirements, I have the link for my last video where I discussed and went in detail about this particular grant. So this is a $10,000 grant and it's approaching next week, the deadline. Let's go to the next one that's already been discussed. You want to remember to apply to the Beyond Yoga for Women by Women grant. This is, I believe, a $5,000 grant. Or no, it's a $10,000 grant. And it is open. The applications is open to April the 15th, which is coming this Thursday or this Friday. So apply for this grant, you guys. These grants are out there. So let's talk about our new grants that we have not discussed. Now, DoorDash is opened another grant out there. Last year, they had a grant for restaurants. So they have another disaster relief fund that's out there. It's for the disasters are unpredictable but critical. Support shouldn't be. The average small business owner loses $3,000 every day. They remain closed due to the natural disaster. Okay. This fund supports restaurants impacted by the natural disasters like fires, floods, hurricanes, and provides relief through $10,000 grants. Okay. Applications are now open. To review eligibility requirements, you click the link. I will link this in the description section. Applications is open through June the 30th. They have in bold, COVID-19 related damages are not eligible. So we're talking about restaurants that's been impacted from natural occurring processes of earth, such as hurricanes, floods, wildfires, any natural disasters, not COVID-19, okay? So that's the DoorDash in this 4 restaurants, okay? Let's see. There's another grant that I want to discuss. This is called Round 2 2022 Small Business Growth Fund. This is a $5,000 grant and it's open until May the 20th. The ideal candidate, you are a true small business owner with a passion and drive. You know exactly who you are, who you want to reach, and who you want to serve, and you have on this, or who you want to impact on this world. You know exactly what you would do with the $5,000. Okay, so the application is about 50 questions. Usually, if you notice on my screen, is I'm finding grants through Hello Alice, so you can find that. If you just set up a profile, just go to helloalice.com, set up a profile, and they will send you all the notifications for small business grants. Okay, so this application is about 53 questions. Okay. There's some essay questions you want to answer, but it's basically they want to know more about your business. Okay. Eligibility: for-profit business, have less than $1 million in gross revenue in 2021, have a commitment to their customers and community, and have a clear plan to use for the fund. Okay. So it's called the Small Business Growth Fund. And the applications is open till May the 20th. Our last grant that I want to talk to you about actually is not a grant, it is a loan. It's the Small Business Progress Loan from Accion Opportunity Fund. It says, with an investment from American Express, Accion Opportunity Fund can offer more small business access to loans. In addition, American Express is providing valuable resources for your business for it to continue to succeed. So they have a video on here on how to fill out the loan application properly. You could use it for working capital. They do have a dedicated line. You could call that line between 8 and 8 p.m. Loan amounts are from $5,000 to $100,000, 12 months to 60 months with no prepayment penalties, and interest rate is starting at 6%, 5.99%. They also have mentoring and support beyond financing. They're saying that we offer educational resources, coaching, and support networks. So they're open 7 days a week. This is powered through American Express. It sounds like the application is pretty simple, and this is just more about the Accion Fund. And you know what? You guys apply for this loan, because from what I've known about, they're pretty lenient, but you have to have been in business for at least 12 months, okay? And your business needs to be making some money. I think they said at least $50,000. I read that somewhere. Anywho, if you like these types of videos, you want to subscribe to my channel. That was it for our grants and loans today. Please put it in this comment section what type of business you have, if you're a startup, or how long you've been in business, and what city you are repping. And if you're looking for a grant or loans in your area, I would do my best to see if I could find something in that area. Just leave a comment below. I am sending all my good to you. I will talk to you soon.